My name is Vinayak Khot. I am from Belgaum. I am suffering with heart blocks, BP, and sugar. So I joined on 25th of last month. Uh, Almost 9 days I have completed, and I am feeling very fresh. My BP and sugar levels are extremely normal levels. I'm very enthusiastic, happy. I'm confident that I will come out of all this existing past disease. I'm very much confident about this, and looking future is a bright. All staffs are supportive, and the way they are taking this method and therapy extremely nice way, and it is really working with me. Thank you so much.